Cristiano Ronaldo. From dreams to greatness. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985. He lived in a small town called Funchal. It is on an island named Madeira in Portugal. Cristiano's family was very poor. His father worked in a garden. His mother cooked food in houses. They had 4 children. The house was small. Sometimes they did not have enough money to buy food. Life was very hard. But Cristiano was happy when he played football. He started playing at the age of 3. He used to kick a football every day. If he had no ball, he kicked bottles or socks. He played on the road, on the ground, and sometimes even inside the house. Football made him smile. He told everyone, "I want to be the best footballer in the world." People laughed at him. But he did not stop. He played more and more. His father took him to a small football club. The coach saw something special in him. Cristiano was fast, strong, and loved to train. Even at a young age, he was different. Cristiano had no rich clothes, no toys, and no big house. But he had a big dream, to become the greatest footballer in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo loved football more than anything. He started playing when he was just a small boy. He kicked the ball in the street, on the beach, and in the park. He played every day. He did not care if it was hot, cold, or raining. Cristiano did not have shoes sometimes. But he still played. He made footballs using socks, paper, or old clothes. He just wanted to play. Football made him happy. At the age of 7, Cristiano joined a local football club. The club was called Andorinha. His father worked there and helped clean. People at the club saw Cristiano play. They were surprised. He was fast, and he could control the ball very well. Cristiano did not play just for fun. He played with heart and passion. He cried when his team lost. He worked hard to be better. Other boys went home early. Cristiano stayed and practiced more. He did not go to parties. He did not waste time. He wanted to become a great footballer. He said, "I want to be the best in the world." From a young age, Cristiano showed one thing: hard work and love for football can change a life. When Cristiano was 12 years old, he got a big chance. A big football club in Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, wanted him to join their football school. But there was a problem. Lisbon was very far from his home. He had to leave his mother, father, brother, and sisters. He had to live in a new city with new people. It was a very hard decision for a small boy. Cristiano cried many nights. He missed his family. He missed his mother's food. He missed his home. Life in the new city was not easy. Other boys in the academy laughed at him. They laughed at his accent and his simple clothes. They called him names. But Cristiano did not fight. He used his pain to work harder. Every day, he trained with full energy. He ran fast, kicked the ball, and never gave up. He said to himself, "One day, I will show them. One day, they will know my name." Cristiano made a big sacrifice. He left his family to follow his dream. At a young age, he showed great bravery. This decision changed his life. It was the first step to becoming a star. Cristiano Ronaldo was training hard. He was doing well in the football school in Lisbon. But then, something bad happened. When he was 15 years old, doctors found a heart problem. His heart was beating too fast. This was very dangerous. If he played like this, he could fall down or even die. Cristiano was very sad. He thought, "Will I ever play football again?" Football was his life. Without football, he was nothing. The doctor said he needed surgery. It was a small operation, but still very serious. His mother was very worried. His family prayed for him. Cristiano had the surgery. It was quick and successful. The doctor said he needed to rest for a few days. But Cristiano came back to training just a few days later. He said, "I feel strong. I want to play again." This was the moment people saw how strong he was, not just in his body, but also in his mind. He did not give up. He did not cry for long. He stood up again. Even a heart problem could not stop him. He was ready to chase his dream again. Cristiano was a fighter. Cristiano Ronaldo's hard work was paying off. After his health problem, he became even stronger. He started playing for the Sporting Lisbon first team when he was just 16 years old. He was fast and skilled. He could dribble past any player. His shots were powerful and accurate. People began to notice him. In 2003, Manchester United, one of the biggest football clubs in the world, saw him play. They were impressed. The coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, liked Cristiano's speed and skill. He wanted to buy him. Cristiano was very excited. He was going to play for a big team in a big country. But it was also a big change. He had to leave his family and his home in Portugal again. It was a hard decision. But Cristiano was ready. He said, "I will work hard. I want to be the best in the world." At 18, Cristiano joined Manchester United. He quickly became one of the best players. He trained harder than anyone else. He played well in every game. His dream was coming true. From a small boy in Madeira to a rising star in one of the biggest football teams in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo worked hard every day. He trained at Manchester United for years. His skills got better. He became faster, stronger, and smarter on the field. In 2008, he helped Manchester United win the Premier League and the Champions League. He was the top scorer for his team. This made people notice him even more. He was now one of the best players in the world. In 2008, Cristiano won the Ballon d'Or. This is an award given to the best football player in the world. Cristiano was very proud. He said, "I worked so hard for this. But this is just the beginning." Cristiano became famous not just for his skills, but for his dedication. He never rested. He trained morning and night. He always tried to be better than before. In 2009, he moved to Real Madrid. This was another big step in his career. He said, "I want to be the best. I want to win more trophies. I want to make my country proud." Cristiano was not just a football player. He was becoming a legend. Cristiano Ronaldo faced many challenges in his life. But he always told himself, "I will never give up." Even when things were hard, he kept going. In 2014, Cristiano had a very tough year. He suffered from many injuries. He was in pain, but he still played football. Some people thought he was not as good as before. They said he was too old or too slow. But Cristiano did not listen to them. He pushed his body even harder. He worked with the best doctors and trainers. He did extra training to make himself stronger. By 2016, Cristiano was playing better than ever. He helped Portugal win the Euro 2016 football tournament. He scored important goals and led his team to victory. He also became the top scorer for Real Madrid. People could see that no matter what, Cristiano never gave up. He always found a way to come back stronger. Cristiano's message was clear. When life is tough, you can still keep going. Hard work, dedication, and belief in yourself can help you overcome anything. Cristiano Ronaldo is known for his skills on the field, but he also has strong words off the field. He often shares important lessons with his fans. One of his famous quotes is, "Your love makes me strong." He always says that his family, friends, and fans give him the strength to keep going. He believes that love and support are very important in life. Cristiano also says, "I am not a genius. I just work harder than others." He believes that anyone can become good at something if they work hard enough. He doesn't believe in luck. He believes in dedication and practice. He also said, "I don't have to show anything to anyone. I only have to show to myself that I am the best." This shows that Cristiano is focused on improving himself, not just on impressing others. He wants to be the best for himself, not for the applause. Cristiano's words are full of motivation. He teaches us that if you work hard and stay focused, you can achieve your dreams. Never stop believing in yourself, he says. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just a great football player. He is also a kind and generous person. He has given a lot of his money to charity. He believes in helping people who are in need. Cristiano has donated millions of dollars to different charities. He has helped children's hospitals, sick children, and families who have no money. He has also helped people who have lost their homes because of disasters. One time, Cristiano paid for a child's surgery. The child needed a heart operation. Cristiano found out about the child's problem and decided to help. He paid for everything, so the child could live a healthy life. Cristiano also visits hospitals and orphanages to spend time with children. He gives them gifts, takes pictures with them, and makes them smile. Even though he is famous and has a lot of money, Cristiano stays humble. He says, "It is not enough to be a good player. I want to be a good person too." Cristiano teaches us that giving back and helping others is one of the most important things in life. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just a football star. He is a legend. His story shows us that with hard work, dedication, and passion, we can achieve our dreams. Throughout his career, he has won many trophies and awards. He has scored hundreds of goals and helped his teams win important matches. But what makes him even more special is his attitude. Cristiano has always pushed himself to be the best. He is never satisfied with being good enough. He always wants to improve and be better than before. He does not just want to be remembered as a great football player. He wants to inspire others to never give up on their dreams. Cristiano's legacy is more than just the trophies he won. It is about the way he lived his life. He taught us that success does not come easily. You have to work hard every day and believe in yourself. As Cristiano grows older, he will always be remembered for his skills, heart, and willpower. He will inspire future generations to follow their dreams, just like he did. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about Cristiano Ronaldo's amazing journey. From a young boy with big dreams to one of the greatest football players in the world, his story shows us that with hard work, dedication, and never giving up, anything is possible. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another famous person you'd like to learn about. Keep working hard and believe in yourself, just like Cristiano did. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams. See you soon.